What's up, YouTube? We're down here at the creek today. And if you follow me over on Instagram, you know that I've been coming down here for a little while. Spiderweb right in my face. So we're going to do a little bit of pan fishing. Try to catch some fish, I guess. Let me switch over to the GoPro here. Stay tuned. So we're using a little Helgermite. I think it's a Rebel. Ordered off Amazon. On a South Bend rod with a Cast King reel. Today, that's what we're going to start with anyway. Alright, got a little gulp minnow underneath of my bobber here. Let's see how she does today. If I could put it in a good spot. Let's see. Let's try that. Damn, something had it. Come on. I just want to catch one fish. The hell we got going on here? Some kind of knotted up mess. Got one, yeah. Hell yeah, got a little green sunfish. My damn fingers are so greasy from that. Not a bad size. Alright, let's let them go. Alright, that's what we're looking for. Okay. Might need a new worm. This one's pretty beat up. Worm replacement time. Hell yeah. Man, I was down here the other day. They were chocked in here. Every cast I was catching one. Apparently that's not the way it's going to be today, but could also be that it's not an earthworm too, I don't know. Definitely good morning to be out. 73 degrees, I think. Man, he was on there, I didn't even know it. Fish number 2 of the day. There he is. Little thing ate the hook too. Let's see if I can get this out of here. And he's back in the water. All right. Hell yeah. Another little green sunfish here. It's been a hell of a day. Number 3. Just out this morning before the wife and the kids all get up today. Go ahead and get a picture here for the old Instagram. Oh, I don't want a picture of myself. A picture of the fish. Let's get him over here in front of the rock. What do y'all think of that? Huh? Pretty good fish right there for this little creek. Get back in there. Little guy there by them rocks. But the GoPro's dead, so just have to do. See you, buddy. So I went on to catch a couple more fish after last saw there. Memory card got full. I didn't know that 4K took up that much space, so next time I will definitely bring more memory cards. And hopefully you all enjoyed that. If you did, go ahead and give me a like on this video. And if you want to watch more of my content, give me a subscribe. And if you want to be alerted, hit that notification bell. I appreciate you all. Thank you.